Did you know that eating jalapeno peppers can help you keep cancer at bay? And how much aware are you of the fact that these foods offer other amazing health benefits? As incredible as it may sound, jalapeno peppers are rich in many nutrients that make them vital for curing and preventing an entire array of diseases. Would you like to know the many benefits of jalapeno peppers? 1. Nutrient-rich. Jalapeno peppers are crammed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, which is a potent water-soluble antioxidant. It helps stimulate and create collagen, the main structural protein of your body. Collagen is necessary for maintaining the integrity of blood vessels, tissues, skin, and bones. A diet rich in vitamin C boosts immunity and purges the body of cancer-causing free radicals. It also helps prevent deficiency diseases like scurvy. Jalapeno peppers are also good sources of antioxidants like vitamin A and flavonoids like lutein, beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, zeaxanthin and cryptoxanthin. These substances help protect your body from cancer-causing free radicals and help reduce pigmentation and remove acne. 2. Analgesic. Jalapeno peppers contain this effective compound called capsaicin. Capsaicin has many health benefits and jalapeno peppers get their analgesic properties because of their presence. 3. Anti-inflammatory. Jalapeno peppers also help ease inflammatory conditions like bronchitis and rheumatic pain. They are especially effective anti-inflammatory agents and they owe much of their anti-inflammatory properties to capsaicin again. 4. Anti-carcinogenic. Cancer is one of the deadliest diseases today, and many people succumb to it every year. And jalapeno peppers can stop you from becoming one of them. These peppers contain many phytochemical compounds, which are known to have disease-fighting, disease-preventing, and even anti-carcinogenic properties. Capsaicin, another important compound present in jalapeno peppers, also helps fight cancer and eliminates cancerous cells. 5. Antibacterial. Capsaicin is the star of the show again. It has proven antibacterial properties, which make it an effective agent for reducing and eliminating bacterial infections like staphylococci and diarrhea. 6. Antifungal/antimicrobial. Capsaicin also has antimicrobial properties and a study conducted found that capsaicin helped affect a 1/200 change in microbe levels of a yeast infection. 7. Promote healthy lipid profiles. Jalapeno peppers act as a thinning agent and help dissolve complex proteins like fibrin. Fibrin is an insoluble protein whose buildup can lead to blood clots in the blood vessels. These blood clots can lead to blood pressure spikes and many arterial conditions like clogged arteries and even affect stroke or myocardial infarctions. Organic peppers help dissolve this fibrin. 8. Reduces LDL cholesterol. Cholesterol is a problem most of us face. Despite using medications, sometimes we don't see the desired results. This is where jalapeno peppers come into the picture. Just like the many other kinds of peppers, jalapeno peppers too play a role in purging your body of the bad LDL cholesterol. Jalapeno peppers might be a nutritional powerhouse and have many benefits. But there are a few things to be kept in mind before consuming them. Eating too many jalapeno peppers might lead to acid reflux due to the presence of capsaicin. This can even lead to heartburn or nausea. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.